Warning: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a local expert and several field guides for proper identification before use. Failure to do so may result in sickness, injury, or death. Poison ivy, also known as Toxicodendron radicans. This member of the sumac family is a climbing perennial, meaning its lifespan is longer than 2 years, and it grows in a habitat of woods, thickets, and fence rows. The plant grows between 26 and 32 feet tall and has a green flower which is in bloom between May and July. The flower has 5 regular parts, is 1/8 of an inch wide, and grows in small branching clusters in the leaf axils. The fruit is a drupe which can be observed between August and November and is a gray or whitish color. The plant is a vine, sometimes bushy or erect, and the leaves are divided into leaves of 3. Remember the old saying, leaves of 3, let it be? They could be entire, with a few coarse teeth, or highly variable. And the root has short aerial rootlets along the side of it, and is covered with dark fibers when older. Warning: this plant contains toxic substances. The sap is extremely poisonous and contains urushiol, an oil that causes severe spreading dermatitis. Urushiol will stay active on any surface between 1 and 5 years. Some experts argue that the toxins only reach the skin if the plant tissues have been damaged, but even indirect contact can cause severe problems. Immunity to the oil is arguable, but mostly dependent upon changes in one's body, resistance, and rate of exposure. Poison ivy has several lookalikes that has been misidentified as, such as Virgin's Bower, Virginia creeper, box elder tree, maple tree saplings, blackberries and raspberries, also known as brambleberries, fragrant sumac, and wild grapes. The Thompson Indians considered the plant poisonous because it caused skin irritations. The Algonquin from Quebec would take the leaves and rub it on the skin's affected areas that showed signs of rash caused by poison ivy. The Cherokee made the plant into a decoction and gave it as a matic. The Homa Indians used the leaves in a decoction and took it as a tonic and rejuvenator. The Kiowa used the plant for running and non-healing sores, and the leaves, whole or broken, were rubbed over boils or skin eruptions as a dermatological aid. As for the plant's other uses, it has been used as a candle wax and to make a lacquer. The Navajo used it as a good luck charm. The leaves were chewed and given to an opponent to ensure good luck in gambling, and a compound containing the plant was used to poison arrows. Now for some poison ivy home remedies. First, learn how to identify and avoid the plant to begin with. Next, wash your clothes and equipment immediately after exposure. And finally, don't scratch. Now for possible remedies, you can use apple cider vinegar, alcohol, aspirin, which has been ground and made into a paste, baking soda bath and paste, calamine lotion, cold coffee, a cool compress, cucumbers, dish soap, which is oil-free, jewelweed, lavender oil, lemon juice, mouthwash, oatmeal, ocean water, pine tar soap, rhubarb stem, tea tree oil, and finally witch hazel.